Hi, welcome all of you on your PDA education, and you must be applying in different IITs. Many of you do not have very high score, they have moderate score, and even if you have very high score, you need to optimize it. You know, every year I see that students, whatever score they get, whether 400, less than 400, 500, 700, 800, 900, it is very important that whatever best you can get in that score, you should try to get that. It is not that if you get 900 score, you should become complacent, relax, thinking that no, I have got sufficient score, wherever I'll apply, I will get it. Actually, this does not happen that way. Maybe for some students, it may be happening. Otherwise, why All India rank within 50 in GATE will have no opportunities? I know some students. So what I was trying to tell you is, like, whatever score you have, low, high, whatever, there is always a best strategy on the basis of which you can optimize your score. Now, one of such opportunity all of you have is IIT Bhubaneswar, where for the MTech there is a written exam. 70% weightage is for your GATE score directly, and 30% weightage further divided into 15% each for interview and written test. Many of you are asking what is the written test all about. Written test is largely on the basis of whatever you have studied for GATE. Suppose you are a civil engineer, so whatever topics you have studied in civil engineering for GATE preparation, keep preparing that. And I'm of the opinion that most of you are already in the preparation mode. There are different exams coming. Let's say HPCL exam is coming. Then just now Airport Authority of India exam you have written. So you are in the preparation mode only. So just keep revising that. So if you say technical subjects plus mathematics plus quantitative aptitude plus reasoning, if you add up all these things, that is the syllabus. Except obviously data science, artificial intelligence, these kind of courses, you need to focus more on the statistics and mathematics part. So your preparation is not something extra, and also you should not prepare something extra. You should prepare only whatever you are preparing for competitive exams. If you are well prepared, you will you will surely clear the exam also. And you know why I ask you to apply more? Because it's always probability. You may not hit one place, so you should hit another place. So this basically your exam, which we talk about now, IIT Bhubaneswar, those students who do not have very high score in GATE exam, maybe they can take an edge in the written and interview. So prepare well for this. MTech course in IIT Bhubaneswar has written exam and interview. And similarly, MTech courses in IIT Hyderabad, some MTech courses in IIT Guwahati, and other IITs also, MTech courses will have written exam, maybe an interview. Now, because of the COVID situation, written exam in some places may not be there, but interview, now everybody is ready for interview this year. Last year interviews were also not there, but this year almost all IITs are now ready with interviews. It is not shutdown phase now, so you can go for interview preparations. And MS and PhD are always interview modules. They're always basically on the basis of the interviews. So shortlisting will be done on the basis of interviews. So what is the syllabus of the written exam? Same as whatever your branch is. And sometime you can, to know what can be the syllabus, you can go through the curriculum of that department. Let us say climate science, IIT Bhubaneswar. You have applied for MTech. Now go to the curriculum of climate science and you'll find that, okay, they are teaching these subjects. Who will set the paper of MTech? Professors. What subjects these professors are teaching for master students? These are the subjects. From there you will get an idea that I'm to prepare these subjects. That is how preparation strategy for these written exams can be made. I hope my point is clear. Prepare well so that you get opportunity to be in IIT Bhubaneswar. Thank you.